In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the MailerLite integration with Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to connect to MailerLite and click Edit Form. In the Form Builder, click Settings at the top, then select Integrations from the left-hand menu. Use the search bar to find MailerLite and open the integration. Next, enter your MailerLite API key. You can copy this key from your MailerLite account under API settings. Paste it into Jotform and click Authenticate to connect your account. Once the connection is established, map your Jotform fields to the corresponding MailerLite fields. At a minimum, map your email field. If your form includes fields like name, you can map those as well. Select the MailerLite group where you want new subscribers to be added. If you want existing subscribers to be updated instead of creating duplicate contacts, enable the Update Existing Contacts option. When everything is configured, click Save, then click Finish to complete the integration. From now on, every new form submission will be automatically added to your selected MailerLite group. That's how to use the MailerLite integration with Jotform. Thanks for watching.